Say goodbye to expensive VPN subscriptions. I found the best free VPN for your PC that requires no software installation. Setting up this free VPN is as easy as eating a pie. Okay, to set up the VPN, go to your Windows system settings on your computer. Now tap on the Network and Internet option. Under these settings, you'll find the VPN option, tap on it. As you can see, I have already set up a VPN named Taiwan. Now, I'll show you how to add your own. Tap on that Add VPN button. Now watch and listen to me very carefully. It's very simple, yet there is one important thing that I'll tell you as I walk you through the process. Now, go to your web browser and visit vpngate.net. Here, scroll a little. You'll see many VPN servers available. You can see the physical location of each country's server. You can choose any server based on its speed, as shown in Mbps. Here is an important thing that you need to know. Don't pick the highest speed server. For example, a Japan server with 5000 Mbps might not work well and prevent you from accessing the internet. Instead, choose a server with 50 to 100 Mbps. This Korea server with 85.53 Mbps seems good, so let's select it. To connect this server, copy this hostname from here. Now, go back to your Windows setting. Here, give your connection a name. Let's just name it Korea. In the server name and address field, paste the hostname that you copied. Select the VPN type as Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol, SSTP. Now for the username and password, the website clearly instructs you to type VPN in both the username and password fields in lowercase letters. So enter VPN in the username and password now. Then, click Save. As you can see, we now have a new VPN connection named Korea. To connect to the VPN, tap on Connect. Upon connecting, you'll notice that it takes just a moment for the connection to be established. And there you have it. You're now connected through the VPN. You can see in the system tray that your internet is also properly connected. Give this free VPN a try, share your experience in the comments, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.